Hey, I've got a couple of investors that I'm helping out right now. Those deals where you can get them for pennies on the dollar, uh, off-market deals. They're kind of rare, pretty hard to come by right now. People have equity. People know that the market's up, that supply is low and demand is high, so people are demanding top dollar for their properties. So it can be kind of hard. They're still out there. I'm looking for them every day. Got a couple of investors that we've taken another strategy, and what we're doing is we're looking at new builds. So some of those builds are 6 to 9 months out, or spec homes, or I've got a couple of investors right now that have been looking, and we found a home or a builder that had 6 spec homes under contract with an investor, and he wasn't able to perform. So we jumped on them. We're trying to get in on those, and then what we're doing is stuff selling above list price. So we're going in, we're being competitive, we're offering strong, high offers. What I'm seeing is typically 10 to 12% on most stuff above list price. Have money that's going to go hard, immediately if their offer is accepted. And these guys are in it for the long game, for long term. So they're not looking to make a quick buck. They're going to cover their expenses, rent by renting it out. But they're really in it for the long term, for the appreciation, holding on to it for 10, 20, 30 years, whatever their exit plan is, and taking advantage of that appreciation over the years and building generational wealth that way. There are still some houses out there that you can buy, fix up, flip, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and then continue to do that. They're a little harder to come by, but they're out there. It's just a little competitive, so you have to be careful you don't lose your shirt. But with these couple of investors that I'm working with right now, like I said, we've taken a different strategy. We're going after new builds. I've been in touch with builders. I know what's out there, especially out here in Daybreak, Lehigh, Saratoga Springs, Harriman, South Jordan. I've got a really good idea what's available, kind of what they're selling for. It's kind of creeping up, whether you're going to be able to cash flow or if you're just going to be able to break even. And it depends on what your strategy is, but we can find stuff. It's out there. You just have to have a good agent. Let's connect. If you're looking to invest, let's get a game plan together. I can answer any questions you have. Let's put a plan together and figure out what strategies you want to use, and then let's go out and find you a home. It's still a great time to buy.